Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how can we split text from the one column to multiple columns, and after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to learn this skill efficiently. Let me show you how. So in this example, I have multiple columns. First column is full name. Second column, I want to have a first name, and third column, I want to have a last name from this full name column. So I will use text to column function. First, I will select all those cells, and then I'll go to data tab, this one, and from here there's an option within the data tools text to column. Click this one, a window will pop up. It has two options. First, let's try with the first option, which is the delimited one. Go to next. Next one is how I want to split the text. So I will use this option space. Take this one to split the text into different columns. You can see the preview as well, how it will be, and go to next. Now define the destination cell where I want to place my first name and second name. So it's showing F5 at the moment, which is this column. I want to have a first name in this column G and last name in H. So I will say it should start putting the first name from column G and then finish and boom. So it has split the first name and last name in my required column where I want to have. Let's delete it for the time being and see the next option. Select all these cells again, go to text to column. A window will pop up. Now you can see the second option, fixed width. If I click this one and then go to next. Now, so what I have to do, I have to split the names manually within the columns. For example, if I click this one, so you can see it will split the first name from the last name. And if I click this one, so it will convert the full name into two names, which is first and last name. So the point I'm here making is you need to manually define the columns, manually split the name, split the text, and go to next. Again, define the destination. This destination would be G5 and finish, and it will do the same job. So basically, the difference between these two options is one option is delimited option where I just define it should have like first name and last name, and the second option fixed with I have to manually define the columns. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.